Rainbow of Sounds Music School kepada nak Shillong Maubri Bhoi District kepada perlong sisim citayo ha kesin saja Little Flower Higher Secondary School Maubri kadon bunjai tirukom hikai ha kaliang ka tem kaput bat karwai kesiau keyboard, gitar, western vocal, Indian classical vocal, kasi instruments bat kasi vocal kikena akibahan news nem senang kila banwan pentebit ha keneg music school bat amdan jinge nagamta ki larang baru banwan pentebit ha keneg music school Ka Meghalaya Teachers College Association hakisin kong kata hak arpo pratrik unailar arhajar arpolai kilalej bandawa na Vice Chancellor Jong Nehu u Professor Prabha Shankar Shukla ban Weng no ia ke Jingpynbna la ne notification ban punkut no ia ke jingya penibor halor ke Pyntreikam ia ke National Education Policy la ne NEP ia ke belapan mi hak khat artrik unaitung ka MCTA kala nyau ia ke ne ke Jingpynbna belapan mi Dawa Officer on Special Duty ke Nehu College Development Council Usri Devashish Chaudhary haga khat artrik unaitung sebro ke Principal Jongki College ke belapan yaso bat ke Nehu haga Jingpyntrikam ya ke NEP kadip ke Jingsyukor ke bapeleng-peleng ka MCTA kalabu ia ke Jingkeliru halor ke Jingkeno rai kerki ban Pyntreikam ya ke NEP wad apedeng ke Jingshisha babun naki college kimpat long ke belapan kre ban pediang ya ke NEP Haba keren sekilat pathai khubor na kaliang Dr. Erpis W. Rani ubri General Secretary jong MCTA ulong bangi dawa yau Vice Chancellor ban Weng no mardor ya ke Jingpynbna bat ulong ru ban kaliang jong MCTA kalapha ya ke siti hak arpoi trik unaitung bat namar ba usus ngap menti kumta na kaliang jong MCTA kala sedang ya ke non cooperation movement nadu ke sitrik unailar arjar arpulai Ulong ru ba kinong hikai jong ki arp artli ki college kibadan hakalama jong ke MCTA kila boycott bat kila sange shim class jong ki semester ban ningkong Hapoh jong ke NEP bat kinom le ru ye kono kam kum ke jingset jingkli yele exam jong ki course semester henry kinyai beteng ban ai jing hikai ye ki sala pule hakatat bat 5th semester kat kum kene ke course ke bamenta Dr. Rani ulong ru ba kelenti ke masyakmat ban penkut ia kena ke jingya penibor katkum ke jing sngo jong ke kenuhun kalong ba Vice Chancellor un Weng no ia ke Jingpynbna bat ban pensenge iswa ya ke NEP na ke benta ke semoi pule ke bamenta bat simbiang ya ke kos ke barim dak bong ru ba kilai khi mental ajan sibenai kumta kila kerpat ya Vice Chancellor ban Weng no ia kena ke Jingpynbna bat penkut ia kena ke jingya penibor
Resolution number 11 and we made it very clear in that resolution that if NEP is to be implemented in the state of Meghalaya, then MCTA should be made one of the major stakeholders that we have decided in the General Conference. That happened on the 30th of November 2021. So we kept that in mind. In 2022, series of discussions and talks have been held by the organization. But nothing is forthcoming from the university or the state government with regard to the implementation of the NEP in the year 2022. However, it was in the year 2023 that certain developments took place, certain initiatives were taken by the university to implement the same, and so therefore our initiatives towards the address of the NEP and the implementation also took place. So therefore, on the 27th of March 2023, we saw an appointment with the Vice Chancellor of the university to have a talk with him with regard to the NEP. The appointment has been granted, and on the 28th, actually, before we get the appointment, on the 28th of March 2023, there was the 27th Emergent Academic Council meeting, which was held to specifically discuss on the curriculum and credit framework, the making of the curriculum and the credit framework under the NEP. Then on the 29th of March 2023, we gave a representation to the Minister of Education. We gave a representation to the Minister of Education addressing him regarding the issues of the NEP and the implications that it may have on the students and the entire education system if it is implemented.
For those capacity building programs which you have promised us in this press release of the government, they have genuine concerns and issues which need to be resolved. 26 August, Mcta, the Nehu Teachers Association, they also were against this statement made by the BC. Now my question, and I would like to address the students, the parents and the press. Is Mcta only wrong? If you say yes, then are the Nehu Teachers Association also wrong? Don't we know that in order to prepare something or implement anything, we need to be prepared? For a simple birthday party, if I have a birthday party in my house, I will prepare for it. How can this be preparation? I don't know what happened between these dates. I really don't know. I fail to rationalize also. From July 31st, what magic wand did they have and did they wave, as in the fairy tales, that we become prepared by 1st of August?
I don't think I have the confidence also to go and just talk like an expert and go and teach the students. We need a proper training for this. In order, this press conference reads again, the press release, in order to successfully implement the recommendation of NEP, the Education Department through the Directorate of Higher and Technical Education proposed to host numerous workshops for HEIs in the state on the themes and actions points as pointed by the Ministry of Education in order to provide appropriate capacity building for the implementation of NEP 2020. Where are those training? Where are those capacity building programs? Not one has been held till date. We are the people who have to teach your children. We are asking, give time. Time for what? Time to sensitize the teachers so that they are equipped. Time also for us to prepare. Time also for training, because there are many new courses in this NEP, like MDCs and SECs. We are all teachers appointed in a specific discipline. Now, I don't know where in the government of Meghalaya has, personality development teachers.
Is not against NEP 2020. I repeat, MCTA is not against NEP 2020. Rather, the strong opposition, it is because of the hurriedness, of the high-handedness, of the overreach, of the abuse of power and authority by the Vice Chancellor. And I will not go into detail about what is on that. This sets this panel an open discussion